It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today, yes, I have another diamond painting. And this time, I did not get it from Diamond Art Club directly. This time, I went to Hobby Lobby. I was so excited. Very, very excited. Remember I told y'all I wanted to get me a Chuck pencil? I got him. I am so very, very excited. Now, I did not catch the sale when they were 50% off. Ugh. I was like, man. But as I'm looking at my receipt, they gave me 30% off. Because I was trying to use my coupon for the 40% off, but it was already ringing up 30% off. So they went from 40 to 30% off. So hopefully I can go check out the other Hobby Lobby close to me. Well, there's two, but the one that's close to my job, I like to go on my lunch break and see if they have the other Chuck pencil I want. So this one that I have, you can see the original price on there for Hobby Lobby is $59.99, and we're gonna see. Let's get into this kit. This looks like the old box they used to have. It is a round. I have been wanting to get me a Chuck, and I finally got one. This will be my next one I kit up. I have to have it. I have to start it. My husband was even excited about this one. He's like, oh yeah, baby, get that done. He wants me to get this one. So as soon as I'm done with Wonder Woman and my gift one that I'm doing, and if it doesn't turn out that gift one, I might have to just order something else. She doesn't know it's coming, so. All right, so in this one, because it did not come from Diamond Art Club directly, they put in this warranty thing. It does have Diamond Art Club here, warranty and insurance card. So that's awesome. Still has a lifetime. Register your product within 30 days of purchase to activate the... Oh, okay, so I have to do that. So you just have to go and activate it, and it's the lifetime warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Accidental oops insurance to replace up to 8 different diamond colors. That's awesome. Oh, now that's nice. I do like that they did that. They still guaranteeing their stuff. Here's the kit. Let's see if there's a placer in here. Some of them have placers. So I want to see. Nice boat. Clear. Your 2 heart wax, which I love. Some baggies. No, this one didn't come with it. Your drill pen and your squishy. Goes around your pencil. So there's none in here, which is quite alright. That will go in the drawer. Alright, so as always, the beautiful Diamond Art Club on the outside. Let's look at these pictures. This is what I got. Of course, you know you get 2, so this is the one I'll put to the side, but I got Space for Reflection. This is what I wanted to start. I wanted to start. Let me move this camera up a little bit. I think it's too much light. Space for Reflection. Look at this baby. Can y'all see that? Is that too much light? Can you see this beautiful cabin? The mountains. The sun is peeking out behind the clouds. There are geese here, or ducks. There's a kayak here. There is trees. Look at these beautiful colors on these trees. Oh my gosh. That water. There's a deck. Boats. Oh, waterfall. I didn't even notice the waterfall right here. Oh my gosh. See, this is what I'm talking about when I talk about going camping and not camping. Going to the mountain, the cabins in the mountains. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. So of course this is the sticker sheet. This looks like the older version because this is not a brand new one. And there's 44 colors. The symbols are there. DMC codes are there. And it looks like there's 2 ABs, 132 and 141. 132 looks like a yellow and 141 looks white. Yep, it's got ABs. And this is a 74 by 55 round. Oh my gosh. Let's get into this baby. You know I have got to see this. But yes, When Wonder Woman is done, I will be kitting this one up. I want to get this one on the wall so bad. Even, you know, even get your husband excited. Oh yeah. And watching Chuck during that interview really made me want to buy more of his paintings. Just listening to him and knowing that his work, he looks at it as this is how life should be, how God intended us to live, serenity. And I'm like, what? I was floored when he was talking. So this is what it looks like. Now this is different for me because I can see the colors, but it's not standing out like the picture is right now. So let me just roll it back right quick, guys. Remember, this is Diamond Art Club, and they will you can roll it back and get it to lay flat. There we go. Oh my gosh, and it's enough room on my desk here. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's got the schematics here saying Chuck Pinson, copyright, Diamond Art Club, space for reflections with AB Brown, 74 by 55. Got the schematics here, the legend here, and then also down here on this side. But I'm looking at it and it's kind of throwing me off because it looks different. Oh, of course. Come on now. You know Diamond Art Club is good. Let me show you the drill fill. Always clear. Always going to be on point. It does have little circles, but that's okay. The drills will probably cover that right up, right on top of it. You can see that drill quality is awesome. Not drill fill. I am just so excited to have my first Chuck. I am so freaking excited. This baby is going to be done next. So no voting. I know I got one vote. And she wanted me to start on the I think it was the unicorn. So I'm just pulling it up so we can get this to straighten out. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Beautiful. Are you kidding me? Look at this. And then when you get it framed and hanging on your wall, oh my gosh. Look at this house. Can y'all see that? The cabin. Let me see if I move the light a little bit. Look at that cabin. Just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these bright colors. I've seen people complete this one already. And I looked at all his paintings that are for sale for diamond art, from diamond painting. And this is the one that I wanted first. I wanted this one first. And it so happened he had this one. In the interview, it was behind him. And it wasn't a diamond painting. It was what he painted. It was his painting, his actual painting was this cabin. I absolutely love it. Now, he is becoming one of my favorites. And he's talked about some more, like 27 more different paintings that's going to be coming out in the years. And he just takes his time and he does sections at a time, he explained. And I'm just really loving him now. Listening to him and seeing how he talks and talks about his family. I see that in his work now. Amazing, guys. Oh, I can't wait to do this one. Yes, you know I will take y'all along on my journey. This is the back. Of course, it's got this beautiful, feel like some kind of fabric. I know the other ladies know the words. I don't know. It's just beautiful. Okay? So, let's get through these drills. Y'all know they comes with the step-by-step instructions. And it also has a code here for your next purchase. That's in every last one of them. Look at this bag of goodies. Look at those colors. Can you see that? Let me turn this light back. Oh, I'm moving the camera. Look at these colors. Of course, R is round, AB, space for reflection. Let's open these up. I have got to take a look at these drills. And I know y'all want to see him too. Just beautiful. I can't wait to get the other one. Y'all know the, I forgot the name of it. What is it? It's not, because I got space for reflection. I forgot what it's called. Dadgummit. I know I said it in my other video. Seize the Day. That's the next one I want to get. I'm going to try to hit up the other Hobby Lobby and see which ones they have. I don't think it's going to be too many in there right now since they're just starting. But okay, let's see how many trains we got. Wow. Alright, we got 3 trains. So we're going to start with the large one first. Wow. Okay. So, we got 414. There are 2 of those. Look at these drills. Come on now. Diamond Art Club fashion. These drills are gorgeous. Yes. I love them, love them, love them. 415. Another gray. 318. That gray is darker. It's like going in different, you know, dark, light, medium. Got 2 318s. Heavy on that. 939. That's that chocolate brown. 413 is another deep gray. 3371. Ooh, that's a deep. That's real. That's that dark chocolate. Love it. And then the next size are these. Michelle got them going the right way. Yep. 3371. Did we just say that? 3371? Yeah. So we got 2 bags of 3371. Okay, the train just ended here. 2 bags of 3371. That's that dark brown. 2 bags of 317. Wow. 890. That green. Ooh, that's a pretty green. That is gorgeous. I keep hitting my flag there. Banner. 814. That's a beautiful. These 2 right here look like Christmas colors to me. That'll be beautiful for Christmas. This one too. 3818. 3024. 815. That cranberry red. This brown here. Am I too low? Look at that. That's a brown. 3861 is a tan. 310. Are you telling me this is all the 310 I got? Are you serious? Wow. That's all the 310, guys. Not even a full big chunky bag. But the other colors I got multiples of. Oh no, this is more like Christmas. 321 and 699. Yeah, that's them Christmas colors right there. 739, 3860, 300. Excuse me. 904. Ooh, that's a pretty green. That is pretty. 3782, 301, 947. That's that pumpkin. That's a beautiful color. Sorry. Knocking stuff over. Alright. And then the last train. Let's see. What is going on? It's like I got a tickle in my throat. And it won't stop. Sorry, guys. Woo, okay. Now we got the smallest bags. It's 3826, 3770, 336. Ooh, I love that blue. Ooh, that looks like my Wonder Woman blue I'm using now. 900, 740. That's that pumpkin orange again. 843, 3799. That's a dark gray. Blue 312, 550. Ooh, look at this purple. Now that's beautiful. I do love that purple. Got some more orange, 3853, 400. Some more purple, 327, 3854. Uh-oh, AB, 141. It's that white. Wow. A little bit of white. Love it. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that AB. What? Another AB, 132. This is that orange that we were looking at. So y'all can tell the difference. Look at that sparkle between that green and this orange. You can see that extra coating that they have on it. That's the AB finish, Aurora Borealis. That's what that means. 905, 3837, ooh, another purple, 208, 742, and 743, both yellows. Beautiful. Now, I want to check something out real quick, guys. Let's see where these ABs go on here. I haven't done that because I haven't did a canvas yet. Well, I have, but I haven't thought about doing it with on here to show y'all where the ABs go. And I do have some more that are coming, and I'm gonna do that again. But let's see, number 1 in the trees here. All these trees is the 1 ABs here, here, all where you see this. No, it's not over there. So it's in the trees here. Ones. I think that's all I see for ones is these 2 trees here. And then number 2 are white. Let's see where those are. Oh, up here in the mountains. Some ABs. This whole little cluster right here is 2s. The ABs. I'm trying to see if I see any more. There's some on this side. Over here in the mountains. This is amazing. Make me want to stop my Wonder Woman. No, not. Let's see, 2s here. So it's majority in the mountains, guys. Let me see if I see any down here. The ducks and the lake. I'm really anxious to see what this lake looks like, because right now it's gray. You know, it's gray colors, and I know it's supposed to be like a lots of blues and some grays, but it's some blues in there. So, ooh, I'm excited. So y'all let me know what you think. I am so excited to get done with my Wonder Woman so I can start on this. So y'all know I'll be doing a kit up on this kit next, on this canvas next. Y'all let me know what you think. How beautiful is this cabin? This is Chuck Pinson from Diamond Art Club. I purchased it at Hobby Lobby though. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.